Good morning. Ron McGowan here with Guarantee RV Center, Junction City, Oregon. We're going to give you a video tour this morning of this 2021 Palomino Real-Lite 1604, designed for the half-ton short bed version pickups. Very lightweight, very utilitarian. This thing you can use on-road, off-road. Again, lightweight, portable. When it folds down, it goes down real short. It's got electric fold down. It's got jacks on all four corners, so easy on, easy off. You've got a rack on the roof for additional storage. You've got a large bed inside, lots of little cubby holes for storage. For as short as this unit is, they really take advantage of the room. You've got a three-way refrigerator, gas water heater, gas furnace, solar on the roof. You've got a 2-burner stove in here, and just a lot of little room, a lot of just quick and easy to use, lightweight unit. If you have any questions on this unit or any other unit, you can contact me directly at 541-968-6010 or ron.mcgowan@guarantee.com. Thanks and have a great day.